we introduce the Kawasaki Robotics BX200X. The B-series robots provide minimum dead weight, maximum performance, and maximum reduction of inherent vibration. The BX200X is based on the proven solutions of the BX300L and the BX200L. It offers the same performance and load capacity as the BX200L, but extends its effective reach significantly. The greatly reduced dimensions of the base allow maximum load-bearing capacity with minimum space requirement. The hollow wrist design of the BX200X enables simple routing of hose packages. The BX200X. Explore the world of Kawasaki Robotics.